To view the free Kit Merge template gallery, click the button called From Template. When you are actually using Kit Merge, you can click each of these small images for a larger image. For this gallery walk, simply scroll down to see the next example. Click to continue. The first example is a certificate. In the image, notice the input file is on the left and the output file is on the right. Under the output file you will see the two files types. This example is a Google form and a Google slide. Click to continue. The hamburger writing example. When students submit the pre-writing form, they can get a Google slide file with their writing already in place. This template has several slides. Click to continue. The Venn diagram. This can be an individual way to show what they know or complete the form as a group brainstorming ideas. In the end, they will get an organized Venn diagram. Click to continue. The KWL chart for what do they know? What do they want to know? What have they learned? Since students can get a Google slide, each can edit the last column at the end of a unit. The thinking about an expository essay. The output template will have several slides to start the writing process. Click to continue. The STEM design process. The output template will have several slides to start design process. This is another good template for group collaboration. Click to continue. The substitute report. If a substitute has a link to a substitute report form, you can immediately get a report and the sub can get a copy. Post a QR code in your plans and the sub can use their phone to complete. Click to continue. Write a book. First, students will focus on the content of a story or book, then they can edit and add illustrations on their individual Google Slides file. For a true book feel, print tiny books and staple to share. When you find a template, you will click Select to begin the Kit Merge process. Another tutorial will walk you through all of the steps from a template to finished project. Thank you for viewing the template gallery. That's it. You're done.